What's up, everybody? It's banana pudding time. I'm making an instant banana pudding. I was gonna make the homemade one, but I didn't feel like making the custard, and I feel that the homemade one doesn't last as long as the instant. And since it's just me, gonna be eating this probably every day until it's gone. Y'all know the first procedure. You take the vanilla wafers, and you gotta put them in your dish. And I like to take mine. And place them in here. I like to place them up. So I'm about to arrange these vanilla wafers. Then I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna do a 2-layer banana pudding. Yeah, and y'all gonna love this. But y'all gonna love this pudding. Oh, it's instant vanilla pudding. It's condensed milk. It's Cool Whip. What else in there? Condensed milk, Cool Whip, milk, vanilla pudding. All right, let me place these cookies in here. Be right back. All right, there go the cookies. Face down. Now I'm finna cut some bananas on top. Okay, there go layer number 1. So that's my bananas cut on top. Now we're gonna start on layer number 2. So I'm gonna take my vanilla wafers. Now I'm gonna place them this way this time. Y'all see that? I'm gonna place them like that. All right, let me do the second layer of cookies. Second layer of cookies. So we have cookies at the bottom. Then we got our bananas. Now we got cookies. Now we're finna cut some more bananas on top. And that'll be my 2-layer banana pudding. All right. Gonna be a big banana pudding, y'all. So there we go. That's my cookies and bananas layered. I'm about to put this back. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. And we're about to start on our pudding mix. All right, our instant pudding mix. All right, y'all. Let's do this. Let's do this pudding mix. If I can set this phone right. Okay, let's do this pudding mix. All right, I'm telling you, this is a good pudding mix. You're gonna do 8 ounces of cream cheese. 8 ounces of cream cheese. Come on off the pack. Come on off the pack. I'm telling you, this one of the best instant banana puddings. Okay. Gonna do 8 ounces of cream cheese. And we're gonna cream this bad boy. Excuse my old mix, it might make a little noise. And I told y'all this was Old Faithful. So we're about to cream this cream cheese. Okay, we got the cream cheese creamed up and fluffy. Now to that we're going to add 14 ounces of condensed milk. So that's 14-ounce count. I'm sorry. A 14-ounce can of condensed milk into your cream cheese. All right, the cream cheese and the condensed milk is mixed in there. You want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To that, you want to add a 5-ounce box of vanilla instant pudding. Let me sprinkle that in there. Come on here. 5 ounces of vanilla instant pudding. And to that, you want to add 3 cups of cold milk. I'm using whole milk. So we're doing 3 cups. Cup number 1. Cup number 2. Cup number 3. All right. About to mix this up. Oh, my mixer. Oh, right here. About to mix this up. Be right back, y'all. Cut. All right, we got one more thing to add to this, and that'll be a half a container of Cool Whip. You're gonna put a half a container of Cool Whip in here, and you're going to take the other half and use it as a topping. Put half of that in here. Let me see, it's at about half. A little bit more. All right. So half a container of Cool Whip. And I'm gonna let y'all see the finishing process. Not process, the finishing touches. All right, there go my finale. There go my pudding. And it tastes good. I tasted already. Even though I made, like I said, I made, this is a banana pudding I always make when I want to do instant instead of homemade. And of course I took this out of the refrigerator. Now y'all know what we about to do. We about to add the pudding. Let me go on this side. Yeah. And I got a skewer so I can go like that. We can get to the bottom. Okay, let me start scooping some of this pudding in here. Spoon and go like that. So let me do this pudding, y'all. Let me take my spoon and lay it out and everything, and I'll be right back. I'll be back. All right, that's it, y'all. That is the finale. So I'm about to put some saran wrap and let it chill. And when it chill, I will eat some tomorrow. This is my instant banana pudding. I'm gonna make the real one for y'all one day, but I'll make a small one because I don't want the yeah. There you go, y'all. You look okay? All right, go make you some. Bye. All right, y'all. Baby, that banana pudding done chilled. Let me take out this saran wrap. Get my spoon. Ooh, let's taste this. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go on this end right here. Oh, I think y'all got a big spoon of it. Look, I'm about to blow it like it's hot. I'm so stupid. That's it. Full of the cookies. Oh yes it is. I know the spoons came from but it's my banana pudding. So I can put the spoon back in there. I eat banana pudding for breakfast. I want y'all to know. One more. That's it, y'all. You know how I say? Go make you some. Let me put my phone so y'all can see it. Hold up. Look at that. Look at that pudding. Want to do it? Bye, y'all.